In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete tasks in Google Calendar using a web browser on your computer. We'll move step by step so you can confidently remove any tasks you no longer need without accidentally deleting your regular calendar events. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you have Google Calendar open in your browser. You should be looking at your calendar grid in either day, week, or month view. Tasks appear directly on this grid, but they're a little different from regular events, so the first thing we'll do is learn how to spot them. On your calendar, look for entries that have a small checkmark icon next to them. Depending on your settings or theme, tasks might also appear in a different color compared to regular events, which usually makes them easier to distinguish at a glance. If you're not sure whether something is a task or an event, that checkmark icon is the key indicator that you're looking at a task. Take a moment to scan the date and time where you know the task should be. If your calendar is very full, it might help to switch to day or week view so that the layout is a bit less crowded. Once you've located the task you want to remove, you're ready to interact with it. Next, click directly on the task in the calendar grid. When you do this, a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up shows the task's details, such as its title, date and time, and sometimes additional information like a description or associated list. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that this is really the task you want to delete, especially if you have several tasks with similar names. Inside this pop-up, look towards the top area for a trash can icon. This is the delete task button. The icon is usually alongside other small icons or options, but it should clearly look like a trash can. Once you've confirmed you have the right task selected, go ahead and click that trash can icon. As soon as you click it, Google Calendar will delete the task from your calendar. In many cases, it disappears right away from the grid. If you don't see it vanish immediately, try refreshing the page, but usually the change is instant. Keep in mind that this action removes the task entirely from your calendar view, so you won't see it on that date or time anymore. If you're cleaning up multiple tasks, you can repeat this same process. Locate the next task using the checkmark icon, click it to open the details pop-up, and then click the trash can icon to delete it. Working through them one by one helps you avoid deleting something by mistake, and that's all there is to it. By identifying tasks using the checkmark icon, clicking them to open their details, and then using the trash can icon to remove them, you can keep your Google Calendar clear, organized, and focused only on the tasks and events that still matter.